friends, today I am going to tell about eclipses. There are two types of eclipses. These are solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. The eclipses are formed when the earth, moon and sun are in straight line. Now first I am going to tell about solar eclipse. In solar eclipse, the moon comes in between the sun and earth. The sun casts sunlight on the moon, and the moon's shadow in the dark region is called umbra, and the moon's shadow which is not dark is called penumbra. There are three types of eclipses. Partial solar eclipse, total lunar eclipse and annular solar eclipse. First, total lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse, which is the people in the umbral region sees the total solar eclipse, and the people in the penumbral region sees the partial solar eclipse. And when the moon comes between the earth and goes far from the when moon comes between the sun and goes far from the earth, we can see a round ring. This is called annular eclipse. In the lunar eclipse, when the earth comes in between the sun and moon, it is called lunar eclipse. There are three types of lunar eclipse: total lunar eclipse, partial lunar eclipse and penumbral lunar eclipse. First, total lunar eclipse. When the moon passes in the umbral region of the earth, it is called total lunar eclipse. And when the moon passes in the umbral region and some part of the moon in the penumbral region, it is called partial lunar eclipse. And the penumbral lunar eclipse, when moon comes into the penumbral region of the earth, it is called penumbral lunar eclipse. And penumbral lunar eclipse means the eclipse is over.
No.
And last, we have to not see the solar eclipse directly. It may cause blindness. We have to see it with dark glasses. We have to not see the solar eclipse from telescope or binoculars, etc. because they make the sun's light very bright, and it may cause permanent blindness because they affect the retina. Thank you.